Martha here with you, and I'm here with my second design team project for Country Craft Creations for June, and I'm using the Simple Vintage Traveler collection by Simple Stories. So it's a really cute collection, super versatile, not really feminine, not so much masculine, just kind of somewhere in between, perfect for family vacation photos. So on the front here I have one of the chipboard frames from the collection, and it is open to put photos inside here. Just slide them in right here. This is just a little paper clip I created with one of the chipboard stickers. The travel word is again the chipboard stickers, and then we've got some geotags here as well, and this little cute camera down here, and the word wander here, and again a geotag here, and those are all from the chipboard stickers. And then these flowers here are some Prima flowers. So the book measures 6 3/4 by 8, and it does have a 3-inch spine. And I just put, again, one of the chipboard stickers on the spine, and then the back is just some plain pink paper from the collection. Alright, so let's get inside of it here. So on the front cover, front inside cover, there is a 4x6 waterfall. So super cute with a little magnetic closure. This little thing here is from the chipboard stickers. And then page 1 opens up like this. Lots of room for photos inside there. The magnetic closure. And then page 2 opens up this direction. And again it has a magnetic closure and a 4x4 journaling card there. Page 3 is a pocket, and I've put some of the 4x6 journaling cards just backed on some white cardstock for more photo space. So it's a pocket, and it also flips up like so for more photo space inside there. And then the next page opens up like this for a ton more photo space in there. And these are 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, so you'll be able to put your 4x6 photos right on there. This page has a stacked pocket, again with some of the journaling cards that I just backed on white cardstock. And then the 4x4 journaling cards just backed on white cardstock. The next page is an ankle pocket, and I have a 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 photo mat in there. And then this page is a 4x4 waterfall with a magnetic closure, and then it has a belly band that it's all placed on, so you can still stick your photos in behind there. And then the next page is a gatefold, really nice. Again, the 4x4 journaling cards there. And then this is another ankle pocket here, and it has another 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 photo mat. And then the last page has a 4x6 waterfall again with a magnetic closure. And this little piece here is from the chipboard stickers as well. So it opens up like this, and then this whole thing actually pulls out, and then it just slides back in there. And on the back inside cover, I have a large acetate pocket. So really nice to add in all your little just pieces from your trip, any tickets, any bus passes, you know, any little thing that you want to remember from your trip. I made it a nice deep pocket. It's a 3/8 inch deep pocket in there to fit all your little things. And I did do a closure there with the magnet. Forgot to cover that piece. So that's really nice there. It just closes and it's hidden by this little circle here that I cut from the from the 2x2 journaling cards. Alright, so that is the book. The link to the tutorial will be below this video. And it's actually a really quick book to put together. I think the tutorial is under an hour. You know, that's with some editing, but it's still super quick to put together. So I hope you really enjoy my second design team project for Country Craft Creations for June, using the Simple Stories simple vintage traveler collection. I just absolutely love it. And yes, the tutorial will be linked below if you haven't yet. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and I will see you next time.